Your design outlined, you are going to switch to paint. You can select which colors paint you want. We are all going to be metallic. We have gold, bronze, all different shades in between. I'm selecting silver and gold to begin with. These are both tempera paints. Then you also need a bucket of water. And for your paintbrushes, we're going to use the round paintbrushes. I just wanted to show you a couple different size paintbrushes. This is our largest one. This is a little too big for this project, so we're not going to use the large one. We are going to use either the medium or the small. I personally like the medium size, so that is what I'm going to use. You also will need a piece of paper towel to dab your brush if it's too wet. And I'm going to start with some silver, and I'm just going to go on top of my lines, fill it up. If my paint starts to get kind of spread out like that, that means I just need a little more paint on my brush, and I need to go over it again. It's getting a little too dry. If you come to a part where it seems like your pencil lines are too close together because the paint comes out a lot thicker, you can change this at any time, because once the paint is dry, we can erase any pencil lines that we think maybe we didn't need or need to adjust. So don't stress out about that. So just feel free to modify what you drew as needed. And when you're ready, you can switch to the gold paint whenever you want, or to any of the other metallic paints. What's nice about metallic paint is it's going to give a nice shimmer. You can see that when I'm painting with the tip of the brush. My paint is only on the brush part. It's not on the ferrule. It's not on the handle. I hold my handle back here. I don't hold it up here. Those are just some pointers for getting really good, nice, solid lines with your paint. Use just the tip and just brush it along. That's why it's called a brush. You just brush it along the surface of your paper. And when you're ready to switch colors, get your water, wash it out. Always swipe this on the edge, don't tap, and dry it on there. And then you can switch to your other metallic color. You can see that's what the gold looks like. Okay, now that I have gone over all of my pencil lines, I can go in with my paint and see any areas that might be kind of large, and I can add some of a dashed pattern to them if there's a large spot. I'm adding in extra details. Do this with the gold or the silver or whatever color. Maybe I want to even add another line in there. It's really up to you. Again, if you switch colors, always rinse and dry your brush. Okay, I think I have this how I like it, so I'm going to leave it like that. Remember, there's really no wrong way, but you're just adding in the details afterwards. You're gonna put this on the drying rack. Once it's dry, you're gonna take your pencil again and you will just erase any pencil lines that might still be showing up. And that's how we make this project. Nice job.